Every day, millions of people wake up early, go to work hard all day, and still never become rich. Not because they are lazy, not because they are stupid, but because they follow a system designed to keep them exactly where they are. And once you understand this, you will never see money the same way again. The biggest lie since childhood. Most people are told one simple formula. Study hard, get a good job, work hard, save money, and one day you will become rich. But this is the biggest lie ever told. Because jobs were never designed to make you rich. Jobs were designed to give you security, not freedom. The richest people in the world don't work for money. They make money work for them. The trap most people never escape. Most people spend their entire lives in a cycle. Wake up, work, get paid, spend, repeat. They trade their time for money. But time is limited, no matter how hard you work. There are only 24 hours in a day! This means your income always has a limit. Rich people don't trade time for money. They build systems that make money automatically, even while they sleep. The difference between rich and poor thinking. Poor people think, I need to work harder to earn more. Rich people think, I need to build something that earns without me. Poor people focus on income. Rich people focus on assets. Assets make money. Examples: businesses, YouTube channels, apps, investments. These things generate income continuously without constant effort. Why most people never change? Because change is uncomfortable. It requires risk. It requires learning new things. It requires patience. Most people choose comfort over growth. They stay in safe jobs. They follow the crowd. They never try something different. And years pass. Nothing changes. The truth about wealth. Wealth is not created by working harder. It is created by working smarter, by building systems, by creating value, by thinking long-term. This is why YouTubers, business owners, and creators become rich. They create once and earn forever. The reality, most people realize too late. Most people realize this truth when it's too late. After 10 years, after 20 years, after 40 years, when they have spent their entire life working, but never building, never creating, never growing. Conclusion: becoming rich is not about luck. It's about understanding the game. Once you stop trading time for money and start building assets, everything changes. The question is not, can you become rich? The question is, will you start building or keep working forever?